Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the inner layers. Pick a well-fitted slip or camisole first, because net is sheer and needs structure. Once done, try on the kurti over your chosen bottoms so you can assess length and silhouette. This shows how the net falls and where seams sit. Make sure to adjust straps and smooth the slip under the net. This prevents bunching and preserves the kurti's intended drape, which matters for both comfort and appearance. You now refine the fit and visual balance. Start by anchoring the slip to the kurti at discrete points so they move as one. This keeps the net from shifting. Then layer intentionally, throw on a cropped jacket for structure, or add a slim belt at the natural waist to define shape. These choices shift the outfit's vibe. Also, check sleeve and hem edges and press any pleats. Attention to small details keeps the delicate net looking polished, and you complete the look by selecting accessories and testing movement. Once everything sits right, put on shoes and jewelry to balance proportion. Heavier embellishments pair with simpler footwear and vice versa. Then perform a motion check. Walk, sit, and lift your arms to ensure nothing gapes or exposes unexpectedly. This prevents surprises under bright lights. If you notice snags or loose beads, address them immediately with a tiny stitch or clear nail glue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.